2, 3. Good day. I am Angelo Cesar Oliveros, and this is the impacts in my life. To start it off, the first lesson that impacts me is the needs and wants. Needs are the things that is necessary or essential items or services that we need in life. For the wants, these are the things that we can live without or it's not necessary in our lives but we want it. For the second lesson, it is the material self. A short description about material self. It is about our clothes, bodies, immediate family, and home. So for the first lesson, I will show you an example for the needs and wants to help us understand on how it impacted me. So for the needs, it is the basic necessity like water, food, and clothes. And for me, the phone is a basic necessity and it is needs, especially in our time that everything is online. Even in school works, everything is online. So for once, it is a car, luxury phone, luxury watch, and luxury clothes. So for the impacts of needs and wants in life, it shows that understanding the difference between needs and wants has greatly impacted my life. As a third year college student, it has helped me prioritize essential tasks like focusing on my computer, engineering studies over recreational activities such as playing basketball, online games, and watching movies. This balance ensures I meet my academic goals while still enjoying my hobbies responsibly. So, and for the second lesson, objects, the material self, it is the objects that bring into contact with our bodily surface. This object becomes injected in our consciousness of our existence. We attach ourselves, our views on it to our immediate families. We became the pride of the family, and we also feel shame or hurt because of what they do or who they are. The short description for this is the things we possess is a way of identifying on who we are and what we are. So for the impacts of the material self is that it helps me it helped me to illuminate my passion for basketball, online games, and the latest tech gadgets has significantly shaped my priorities. And it influenced my life as a third year college student pursuing computer engineering by understanding the impact of my material desires. I've gained insight into how these interests have driven my daily routines, social interaction, and even my aspiration. So it highlights the profound effect of materialism on my personal and academic journey. So that's all. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. Uy,